have Motorola Moto G60s, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to go to the contacts list, select contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to add its photo. You can take a photo or to just select photo from the gallery. Here you can adjust this photo, then tap save copy and then save, and after that image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.